Hello, and welcome to Model Motor Mania. I'm Sergio, a passionate collector and enthusiast of scale replicas, and today, have the pleasure of presenting an incredible 1/18 scale piece that will surely impress you. In this video, we're exploring the replica of the Yamaha YZR-M1 25 ridden by Maverick Viñales in 2018, a superbike that embodies speed and cutting-edge technology. This miniature perfectly captures every aerodynamic line and striking detail that has made the YZR-M1 a legendary bike on the racing circuit. For collectors and racing fans, this is an essential piece to add to any collection. I'd like to share a special reflection as well. I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. This verse from Philippians reminds us of resilience and determination qualities that are a perfect match for the spirit of the Yamaha YZR-M1 and Maverick Viñales fearless racing. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite 1/18 scale replica? Let us know in the comments. We're excited to hear from you. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more incredible content like this. See you in the next Model Motor Mania with more fascinating replicas and inspiring stories. Until next time.